Doc, sino ang sino ang maaasahan ko bago, habang at pagkatapos ng operasyon para safe ako? So this is the same patient no na nagtatanong pa paano magiging safe. So definitely we will guide you through the process. Yung team natin is hindi lang team na mag-opera, pero even after the surgery, we are there for you. We also have a post-op team. Usually, ito ay yung anesthesia, ako, at saka may rehab doctors po tayo na mag-assist po sa recovery period po. Very important po yung physical therapy for strengthening and of course for confidence building para yung confidence ng mga patients is hindi mawala. Next question is, Doc, may clearance po ba na kailangan gawin bago ang surgery? Okay. Para masigurado na handa na ang katawan ko. Definitely 100% true.